One of the questions I get asked a lot is, how do we build such a strong team that's able to execute at such a high level, given that our field, Facebook marketing, Facebook advertising, is fraught with agencies who are churning out kind of subpar talent, right? A lot of people can figure this out for themselves. A lot of people can figure out how to do digital marketing for themselves. Not very many people have been able to crack the code of, how do I scale this business? How do I get other people to execute at a high level also? And that's one of the areas we've been very proud at Tier 11, and one of the areas we've worked really, really hard at, frankly. And I like to take it all back to a meeting that we did with the executive team right about a year ago. And we all got together, and we have used kind of one of our guidebooks that we use is Jim Collins' book, Good to Great. And he has a mantra and a method in there that we've really taken to heart and we take very seriously. And you may have heard his analogy of the bus, right? So first, get the right people onto the bus, get the wrong people off of the bus, and then decide where you're going to take that bus, right? And there's a lot more to it than that, but that's essentially one of the main things that we've focused on is who should be on our bus? What does the right person look like to be on our bus? And then we work on getting them into the right seat on that bus. And one of the core actions that we talk about a lot, kind of a mantra that's really easy to think about whenever we're up against a hard problem, you're wondering, how am I going to solve this? This is a mantra that I love. Discipline people first, disciplined thought, and then disciplined action. So if you focus on finding disciplined people, and then you train them and encourage disciplined thought and reward disciplined action, all of these wonderful rewards flow out of that and all these high level results. And for us, that's been the key. Get the right people onto the bus and then constantly emphasizing disciplined people, disciplined thought, disciplined action.